InDesign, deleting backgrounds. Now this is something that you can do with much more nuance and finesse in Photoshop or using AI, but I'm going to show you the InDesign option that you have. So draw a rectangular frame and make sure that you have an object underneath it in the background so you'll be able to see the transparency. Draw the frame and place an image. The image is going to need to be something with a light colored background in order for this to work. Go to Object, Clipping Path, Options, and you'll get this window. Set it for Detect Edges. Adjust the threshold until the background disappears. And just the background. Get that as good as you can. Notice what happens when you do too much or too little. And when you found the right place, see if adjusting tolerance helps any, or if it doesn't help. Make sure you have the preview button clicked in this menu so you can see what's happening as you change it. Okay, click OK, and you can now move the path around that you've created. It's almost like another frame. You can select an individual point on this path and adjust it. If you zoom in, you can see all the different individual points that make up a path, and you can adjust each one of them individually if you like, in order to get a better path. And remember that you can also apply your different frame fit options to this as well. Your proportional fit to frame, content aware fit, all of those will have an effect as well.